Division of line segment, an important concept. Enjoy the journey with Anil Kumar. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel where we discuss problems whose solutions you really need. In this playlist on lines and extended exam practice, here is question number 20. A line 4x plus 3y equals to 18 passed through the point P, Mn, with intercepts at A0 and B0b. Find the coordinates of the point P if it divides the segment AB in the ratio of 1 is to 2. Extremely important question from test point of view. In the solution, you will also learn what is section formula and how it can be easily applied to solve such questions, where we are looking into division of a line segment in any ratio. Let us first try to understand this situation and then we'll begin with the solution. So let me sketch the given scenario. So we are talking about a line which is 4x plus 3y equals to 18, and that passes through point P, which is Mn, with intercepts at A and B. So let this be the line. So just randomly drawing one. Definitely the slope is negative, and therefore we do get this kind of a line. Now what we are given here is for this line point A and B. Point A is the x-intercept at A, right? So this point here is A. And point B is with y-intercept B. Also we are given a point P on the line which divides this line in the ratio of 1 is to 2, coordinates of point being Mn. We need to find the point P. Perfect. So I hope the diagram is clear to you. Now this point P divides line segment A to B in the ratio of 1 is to 2. So this part here is 1 and this part here is 2. Correct. Let us say O is the origin. Now let's begin with finding the x and y intercepts from the given line. Line is 4x plus 3y equals to 18. For x-intercept, we'll put y equals to 0. And so we get 4x equals to 18, or x is equal to 18 by 4, which is 9 by 2. So the x-intercept here, the value of a is 9 by 2. So we get the coordinate points of a, which are 9 by 2, 0. Perfect. Since we found this value of the x-intercept. And now let's find the y-intercept. So y-intercept will be when x is equal to 0. So if I substitute that, I get 3y equals to 18, and y is 18 by 3, which is 6, and therefore this point here is 0, 6, correct? So point B is 0, 6 for us. So we have these points. Now we need to find the coordinates of point P. Now, some of you might know, otherwise, you can go through my playlist and we'll discuss section formula in a different video. Where if a point P divides a line segment AB in the ratio of m is to n, let's say this is like L, some other ST, for example. So in that case, let's say this division is ST in general, right? So let's say the points are So I like to the x coordinate of p, which is m, will be given as the ratio of s times x2 plus t times x1 over s plus t. And the y coordinate n will be equal to s times y2 plus t times y1 over s plus t. So, in general, that is the kind of formula which can be used here in this situation. Now, applying this formula, we can now find the coordinates of point P. So, coordinates of point P, m will be equal to, since the ratio is 1 is to 2, 1 will get multiplied with 0, plus 2 will get multiplied with the x-intercept, which is 9 by 2, divided by 1 plus 2. So that gives me 9 over 3, which is 3. So m is the value given as 3. Now let's find n, the y value of coordinate point P, as 1, this thing will be multiplied by the y-intercept 6, plus 2 with the y value of x-intercept, which is 0, divided by 1 plus 2. So n is 6 over 3, which is 2. So we get the coordinate points of P as 3, 2. Makes sense. So that is how, using this section formula, we could easily find the coordinates of point P. Perfect. We'll also use the concepts of similar triangles, right? So similar triangles can also help you to solve this particular situation if you do not know the formula, right? So that's kind of a hint, because here the ratio is 1 is to 2 and we have two similar triangles, and that can give you the solution. So you can apply the similar triangle concepts and verify the result. Hope it makes sense. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. And in case you want to learn directly from me, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Thanks for your valuable time and all the best.